This story is about a family once very poor, and then how they builded wealth. They didn't have much. Just calloused hands, tired feet, and one common dream: a bakery. For 2 years, Samir and his teenage son Ayan did whatever work they could find. Morning till night, sweat, silence, and saving every single rupee. Samir once ran a small sweet shop, lost in debt and despair. Ayan was just a kid, but he saw everything. He didn't want revenge. He wanted revival. Samir always said, "We'll build something of our own, slow, honest, ours." They finally opened a tiny bakery, Ayan's Bakes. No AC, no fancy counters, just fresh bread, warm smiles, and hope. Every morning, Ayan made the chai. Samir baked by instinct. No timer, no tech, word spread. First 3 customers, then 30. Soon, people lined up before the shutter even rose. They didn't hire staff. They gave jobs to family. An unemployed cousin became the delivery guy. An aunt who loved cooking became their snack innovator. Everyone had a role. Everyone had a reason to smile again. It was more than a bakery. It was a second chance. One day, Ayan created something new. A crispy, masala-coated roll inspired by his grandmother's lost recipe. A customer recorded a reel. That reel. 2 million views in 3 days. Orders flooded in. They sold out by 10 a.m. Newspapers called it the snack that saved a family. In just a year, they opened a second bakery, 3 times bigger. New ovens, new branding. But the same hands still kneaded the dough. This time, the name was bigger. Flour and Fire, Ayan's Originals. They got packaging done, set up shipping, partnered with local stores, from one lane to one city, to nationwide. Ayan, now older, stands on stage giving a talk. Ayan: "My father didn't just teach me how to bake, he taught me how to rise." Tears in the audience. Samir watches from the front row, teary-eyed. Today, Ayan trains young chefs across the country. He hires orphans. He funds food education. And every evening he still has tea with his father. Samir, smiling, still needs more salt. Ayan: "Just like old times, huh? Built with love, risen through fire." Not every legacy is built in boardrooms. Some are baked in back alleys with burnt fingers and borrowed faith. Their story isn't about bread, it's about belief. Because when dreams are shared, even broken families can rise together, like dough in a warm oven.